Hello student, welcome to my channel Point 91. If you are new student, please subscribe my channel. This is another important class for SCCL exam. Let's start the class. See first question. Which assembly technique is similar to riveting method? Which assembly technique is similar to riveting method? Doubling, stacking, pinning, none of these. Right answer is C. Pinning. Pinning is similar to riveting method. Next question. Which special file is used for narrow work? Here asking a special file, not a normal file. A special file is used for narrow work. Option A, pillar file. Option B, square file. Option C, dreadnought. D, none of these. Correct answer is A. Pillar file is used for narrow work. A special file. Okay. Next question. Which gauge is used to check the gap between mating parts? Which gauge is used to check the gap between the mating parts? Slip gauge, plug gauge, filler gauge. Correct answer is C. Filler gauge. Next question. Which material is used to clean the slip gauge? Which material is used to clean the slip gauge? Wax, kerosene, carbon tetrachloride, none of these. Correct answer is C. Carbon tetrachloride used to clean the slip gauge. Next question. Student, all figure related question is very important. Any exam, one or two question asking in the exam. So please carefully study. Question. What is the name of gauge? What is the name of gauge? Gauge, ring gauge, plug gauge, taper ring gauge, none of these. Correct answer is ring gauge. A is the correct answer. Next question. What is the purpose of key? What is the purpose of key? Transmit torque, assembly purpose, lock the assembly, none of these. Correct answer is A. Transmit torque. Or please subscribe my channel Point 91. Next question. Very important question and repeated question. What is the ratio of keyway taper? What is the ratio of keyway taper? A 1/50 ratio, B 1/100, C 1/20, D none of these. Correct answer is 1/100. Very important question. 1/100. B is the correct answer. Next question. How many set of filler gauge are available as per BSI? How many filler gauge are available as per BSI? Set number 1 to 2, set number 1 to 4, set number 1 to 5. Correct answer is B. Set number 1, 2, 3, 4 unavailable. Next question. What is the process to refine the structure of steel component? What is the process to refine the structure of steel component? A. Normalizing, B. Hardening, C. Annealing, D. None of these. Right answer is A. Normalizing. To process refine the structure of steel component. A is the correct answer. Next question. Which gauge is used to check outside diameter of cylinder shaft? Outside diameter of cylinder shaft. Which gauge used? Plug gauge, plain ring gauge, taper ring gauge, none of these. Correct answer is B. Plain ring gauge to check the outside diameter of shaft, cylinder shaft. Next question. Which nut protect the bolt and thread from damage? Which nut protect the bolt and thread from damage? A. Cap nut, castle nut, slotted nut, none of these. Correct answer is A. Cap nut. Cap nut protected. Next question. Which operation is performed with fine abrasive particle? Which operation is performed with fine abrasive particle? Filing, lapping, scraping, none of these. Correct answer is B. Lapping. Lapping is performed with fine abrasive particle. Lapping. Next question. Please subscribe my channel. Point 91. Which structure of steel contains zero carbon? Which structure of steel contains zero carbon? Ferrite, pearlite, austenite, none of these. The right answer is ferrite contains 0% carbon. Ferrite is the correct answer. Ferrite contains 0% carbon. Next question. Which type of cutting tool is tempered by heating up to 230-degree temperature? Which type of cutting tools is tempered by heating up to 230 degrees Celsius? Option A. Tap, B. Drill, C. Turning tool, D. None of these. Correct answer is which cutting tool? Turning tool. C is the right answer. Turning tool heated up to 230 degree Celsius. What is the purpose of annealing? Why do we annealing? What is the purpose of annealing? Reason: to soften the steel, to add the cutting ability, to increase wear resistance, none of these. Why do the annealing? The correct answer is to soften the steel is the correct answer. To soften the steel. Next question. Another figure related question. Very important question and repeated question. What is the name of tools? What is the name of tools? Face wrench, hook spanner, face pin wrench. Correct answer is B. Hook spanner. Next question. Which type of nut are used to coach building work? Which type of nut are used in coach building work? Square nut, T-nut, wing nut. Correct answer is A. Square nut to use the coach building work. A is the correct answer. Next question. All questions very important. Please keep practice. Which type of machine screw used in heavy duty assembly work? Which type of machine screw used in heavy duty work? Pan head screw, cheese head screw, hexagonal head screw, none of these. Correct answer is C. Hexagonal head screw used in heavy duty assembly work. Next question. What is the purpose of ring gauge? What is the purpose of ring gauge? Why use ring gauge? Check the hole diameter, check the outside diameter, check the tapered shaft diameter. So what is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. Check the outside diameter of the B is the correct answer. Check the outside diameter. Okay, next question. Which abrasive is used for lapping die and gauge? Which type of abrasive used for lapping die and gauge? A. Silicon carbide, B. Aluminum oxide, C. Boron carbide. Right answer is A. Silicon carbide used for lapping die and gauge. Next question. What is the process of steel being heated to required temperature and held in the same temperature for a period of time? Question is asking, what is the process of steel being heated, required temperature and held in the same temperature for a period time? So what is process name? Soaking, heating, quenching. Correct answer is A. Soaking. Important repeated question. Next question. What is the purpose of removing the internal defect of steel component? What is the process of removing the internal defect of steel component? What is the process name? Annealing, normalizing, hardening, none of these. Correct answer is B. Normalizing is the process of removing the internal defect. Next question. Which bearing material has poor thermal conductivity? Which bearing material has poor thermal conductivity? Very bad thermal conductivity. Option A nylon, B Teflon, C laminated phenolics, none of these. Correct answer is laminated phenolics has poor thermal conductivity. C is the correct answer. Next question. Which metal powder is used in colorizing process to prevent corrosion? Which material powder is used in colorizing process to prevent corrosion? A. Zinc powder, B. Nickel powder, C. Aluminum powder, D. None of these. Right answer is C. Aluminum powder used in colorized process to prevent the corrosion. Next question. Which metal has high resistance to chemical reaction? Which metal has high resistance to chemical reaction? Lead, nickel, copper, none of these. So which metal is high resistance? B. Nickel has high resistance. Nickel has high resistance. So student, 25 important question today completed. Please subscribe my channel. Point 91. Another important question discuss next class. Thank you very much.